Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how the non-inverting amplifier can act as a summing amplifier. So as the name itself saying, the inputs are applied to the non-inverting terminal. So and the sum of these inputs will be amplified. Okay, so the feedback signal is applied to the inverting terminal, and we have applied two signals V1 and V2. Okay, so by looking at the circuit, we'll have, let the voltage of node B is VB and the voltage of node A be VA. The voltage at node B is VB and the voltage at node A is VA. Since by the concept of virtual ground, VA is equal to VB. Okay. So now from the input side, I1, what is I1? So I1 is equal to V1 minus VB divided by R1. I2 is equal to V2 minus VB divided by R2. I1 is equal to V1 minus VB divided by R1. I2 is equal to V2 minus VB divided by R2. Okay. So, but the input current of the op-amp is 0. So, that is the current which enters the op-amp is 0. So, I1 plus I2 is equal to 0. Op-amp input current. Okay. So, there it was different. Now we'll substitute what is V1. So V1 is V1 minus VB divided by R1. I2 is V2 minus VB divided by R2 is equal to 0. So I'm just making a simplification. V1 dividing this V1 divided by R1, splitting this V2 divided by R2, and VB divided by R1 and VB divided by R2 I have taken on the right hand side. So I have taken VB common, 1 divided by R1 plus 1 divided by R2. Okay, so later I have taken LCM for this, R1 into R2, so it will become V1 R2 plus V2 R1. So VB also, here also I have taken R1 into R2, R1 plus R2. So this R1 R2, this R1 R2 will get cancelled. VB will become V1 R1 plus V2 R1 divided by R1 plus R2. Okay, so this is the voltage at the potential VB. So at node A, we have, at node A, the current I is given by VA divided by RF. Sorry, from the input side, VA divided by R. Okay, the current I is VA divided by R. That is, since VA is equal to VB, we can write I is equal to VB divided by R. Also, I is equal to V0 minus VA divided by RF. So that is V0 minus VB divided by RF. Okay, so hence we can write, that is the potential at node A is equal to the potential difference between these two and the potential difference between here to here. Okay, so now what we can write is from equation 3 and 4, that is from equation 3 and 4 we can write VB divided by R is equal to V0 minus VB divided by RF. That is VB divided by R is equal to VB divided by RF. I have taken this side, V0 divided by VF. So V0 divided by VF is VB into 1 by R plus 1 by RF. So what I have done is, next I have taken RF on the, have taken LCM, RF R plus RF divided by R. If I take LCM, so and RF will get cancelled, we'll get V0 is equal to VB into RF plus R divided by R. So next what we have done is, let us apply what is VB over here. Okay, so what is VB is, okay, so VB, as we know, VB is what we have derived, here we have derived VB as R2 V1 into R1 V2 divided by R1 plus R2 into R plus RF divided by R. So I have multiplied, I have splitted this term, R2 V1 R1 plus R2, R1 V2 R1 plus R2, and I have multiplied to this term. So I'll get it as R2 V1 R1 plus R2 R plus RF divided by R, R1 V2 R1 plus R2 into R plus RF divided by R. Okay, so next I've just splitted this, R2 into R plus RF into V1 divided by R1 plus R2 into R, R1 into R plus RF divided by R into R1 plus R2 into V2. So next I have made an assumption that if R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R, then what will become? So R2 will become R, R remains the same, R1 becomes R, R plus RF. So here R plus R plus R. So if I solve this, it will become R plus RF. So here this R will get cancelled, this R will get cancelled. So remaining term is R plus RF divided by 2R. This becomes 2R. Here also R plus RF divided by 2R into V1 plus V2. So I can take R plus RF divided by 2R common. So it will become V1 plus V2. So we can say V0 is equal to R plus RF divided by 2R into V1 plus V2. Suppose if R plus, so that we can write it as 1 plus RF divided by R. So what is this? Please remember, 1 plus RF divided by R is the voltage gain of a non-inverting amplifier which we have derived previously. So this I mean the equation is saying, so if 1 plus RF divided by R2 is equal to 2, so if this become 2, so this 2 will get cancelled, then the output voltage is the sum of the 2 voltage. Okay, since there is no phase difference between input and output, it is called non-inverting summer amplifier. Hence we have got at the output side a positive voltage. Okay, thank you.